Hey, fellow masterminds, Jimmy Schwinn here from mastermindwebinars.com. Wanted to give a quick training tip out there on how you can post to multiple groups on Facebook simultaneously. So let me get started here and show you. I just did this and I wanted to show you all how to do it. So if I go to my home page in Facebook, I'll go down to my groups. Now I have a bunch of different groups. I have business groups, I have MLM, network marketing, I have nutritional groups, I have all those different groups. So let's say that I want to post to a group and I want to post to a bunch of them. So let's say I go to the affiliate market. I think I already did that one. So let me go down here to one that I have not done. And it will restrict you. I think it gives you about 50 groups you can post to at once, and then it will tell you you have reached your limit. But still, it's better than posting 50 times, right? So let me go here. And we go here to more options. A lot of people don't know that there's these more options here. So go here, sell something. And what are you selling? So I'm going to put down Lead Recruiter Pro. That's my system that converts leads into sales. And it's $1 trial. And I will put my address here, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab this is, you can see I'm doing some things for Bodyline here, and I'm going to grab this, and I can actually add a picture here, which if I pull up, let me pull in here real quick. Let's see what we got in Lead Recruiter Pro. Maybe my image or something really cool. Well, right now we'll just use my image. And we'll see if that even loads up. And also you could add a video here. So if you, again, well, not on the ad because you're selling something. I don't think it will allow you to add a video. So now that I've got this here, and then I'm going to have it point directly to the page because I'm saying watch this video. Okay, so let me just change this to see how Lead Recruiter Pro will, not can, will help explode the growth of your MLM, network marketing, or home-based business. Now, again, that's the target market I'm going after here. Check it out today at leadrecruiterpro.com. So just always double and triple check. And again, you can't do the video because it's this type of ad that allows you to post to the multiple groups. So make sure that you got this right, your links right, all of that's right, and go next. And now you can see it allows you to post these other groups. So I can go, just make sure they're the right groups though, right? And you can post to these other groups. Now some of these I hope I didn't post on before, but there's so many posts going on there, it usually doesn't matter. I know I posted there. So let me go down here and post a few. But you can post as up till when they tell you you've posted too many. And you can't post any more at one time. So if I go post, I've just posted to all of those groups. I posted this ad right here. If I want to post to more places, it gives me more to post to more groups. This is pretty powerful, folks. Now you don't have to cut and paste into each group. You can post, but it has to be the ad that I just showed you. You have to go here, and you've got to pull up more, and you've got to sell something. That's what you have to click on, okay? So quick training video tip. Hopefully this will help you out so you don't have to cut and paste into groups. You can hit them all pretty quickly. You know, maybe you have to do a couple different posts so that you can get to all your groups if you have more than 50 or so, and makes it pretty simple. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.